Welcome to lesson number 2, numbers in operation. Place value expanded form. So now we're going to deal with expanded forms of numbers, and I'm just going over these things. You probably won't see this in the algebra class. You'll probably see this 3rd, 4th grade, maybe somewhere around there. Our objective, I'm not going to read over every objective in all these lessons. I read it over in the first video, but from here on out, you can just pause the video and read it here. And I suggest you do that. Pause the video and read through the vocabulary, the rules/notes. Okay, getting to our first example. Write the number 1,209 and 563 thousandths in expanded form. So I'm using a chart, but this is not expanded form. Our chart is to help us with place value. So writing the number 1,209 and means decimal point 563 thousandths, because the 3 is in the thousandth place. So on the next page, we'll put it in expanded form. So we have 1,000 plus 200 plus nothing in the tens place, 9, plus 500 thousandths, 60 thousandths, and finally 3 thousandths. This is one way of writing expanded form. Another way of writing expanded form, and you'll probably usually see it like this, is 1,000 plus 200 plus 9 plus 0.5, and that's supposed to be a 0. Let's write a better 0, plus 0.06 plus 0.003. And this 3 is in a thousandths place, and so the number less than 1 is 563 thousandths. On to example 2. Write this number in expanded form. Again, we're going to use the place value chart. So we have 100, 23 ten thousandths, or 230 hundred thousandths. But since the 0 has no value, you really don't have to read it that way unless you're taking a precise measurement in science. The 3 is in a 10 thousandths place. Okay, so now let's get to the actual expanded form. Expanded form deals with each digit, the 1, the 2, and the 3 in its own place value. So you have 100 plus 0.002 thousandths plus 0.023 ten thousandths. And this is actually expanded form where each digit has its own place value, and there's only one digit per place value. Okay, so see if you can write this number in expanded form. 34,569 and 31 thousandths. So the and is the decimal point. Here is the chart, You don't necessarily have to fill in a chart for this one. That was for the previous lesson, but this will help you understand the value of the numbers. So here's problem 2. And this is a tricky one, so be careful in the mouth with this one. So as we see, we have 12 and tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. But we're going to read the number as normal. So if this were no decimal here, it would be 20,103. But since we're to the right of the decimal, the last digit is in a millionths place. So how we read the number, 20,103 millionths. Problem 3, write this number in expanded form. Here's the chart to help you out. Problem 4, write this number in expanded form. No decimal here, so this one should be easy. And all of the answers are provided for you. I did not read these last numbers, but problem 4, 22,994,876,538. I said this with no and because there's no decimal point shown at the end of the number. So this is your expanded form, and this concludes the lesson for today.